Today, I'm going to be talking about the new Log4Shell scan template that Tenable released inside Nessus Professional. Over the past few days, Nessus has released multiple plugins that cover a variety of generic Log4j checks for both credentialed and uncredentialed checks. We also added a new scan template that covers all generic and vendor-specific Log4j vulnerabilities. You can check out the blog article below for additional details around those plugins. In this new scan template, we added a dynamic scan template. This is the ability to catch all of the vendor and generic Log4j vulnerabilities. Once you create the new template, you'll fill in the required information. You can also see what plugins are included in this new template. If you go over to the Plugins tab, click Miscellaneous, you'll see that we added a new Ecosystem Wrapper plugin for Log4Shell. This wrapper will automatically execute all these additional plugins. As we release new changes and new updates, this template will be automatically updated. Thank you so much and have a good day.